In this tutorial, we'll be learning about how to use the DMV. You should have the DMV menu option. Click on it. When you initially log in, if there are any pending driver's licenses or vehicle registrations that need to be marked validated because they forgot to do it, you're going to want to do it here. So all you have to do is click on it, switch the status from pending to valid, and then click Save Record. It is now valid. For the same thing for the license, you click on Licenses, click on this, change it from pending to valid. If they do not have an expiration date, make sure you put the expiration date in. This can be found in the DMV Discord, of which you are a staff member of, and information underneath the public information, public lobbies section. Here's your expiration dates. Do 4 years or 5 years or every year from the day's date that you issue it. Make sure you click Save. If you were to notice that there was 4 entries for the same person or for the same exact thing, mark one as valid and remove the rest of them. The oddity of the CAD is if you want to go in and remove somebody's, say you want to suspend somebody, it won't search. So what you have to do is click on that, go to main community menu, go back into the DMV. This is now clear, and now you can do the name, and there's the person's stuff. Say we want to suspend his driver's license. We go from status from valid to suspended and save. So here we see he has 2 exact same driver's licenses. So we click on it, we go down here, click remove. That removes the other one. This is now suspended. Let's say he had a commercial driver's license as well. If that's the case, we would suspend it as well. If he is a convicted felon and he has a concealed carry license, you go in here and you mark it as suspended and save. The big thing is with all these is make sure when you validate something, you make sure there's a expiration date in it, so that way it has an expiration date, and that the information, make sure there's a plate number for the vehicle if it's a vehicle registration. Some other things to note regarding the CAD is you're going to want to make sure that you're not doing your own validations. If you have a PED that has a suspended license, you need to have another staff member do it. But that is how to use the DMV within the MSRP CAD.